Hi, in the last lesson, we understood the relationship that Power BI can establish while combining different data sets. In this lesson, that we are going to build a visual in the form of table. Let us come back to the Power BI applications. This is the application. This is we are in report view. In the last sessions, we are looking for this model view, and here we are going to see the report view. We are going to build a visual that is called table. Okay, this is the table. Okay, option is here. We can directly click and drag here, paste a tile, and we can fill the data. Else what we can do, we can directly that drag here the values, then we can break down the value into different like um, dimensions. Okay. So what we'll do here, so we'll combine the data from both the that sheets. So here we'll first drag it the cells. Okay, so here what happens, here sum of cells, total cells has appeared, because here by default Power BI what it does, it selects the sum. Suppose we want to see the average or minimum, whatever we want to see, we can also select here. However, we can that build a table by that calculating the sum of cells. Okay, this is one. Then what we can do, suppose we want to see the region wise cells, so this region field that we can drag here, like here region. Okay, so now region wise, that sum of cells, that means this total sum of cells means total cell has been broken down into three different regions, like central regions, north regions, and south regions. Okay, so then we have got a table. One is categorical, that is dimension is region. Another is that is called metric data, that is sum of cells. We have got it. Okay, suppose we want to add data here. Okay, like take for example, we want to add here like shipping, sorry, that is segment wise cells we want to add here. So what we can add here, we can paste here, you can see it. So first level of data is that is called region wise data, then segment wise. This is the metric data that we have taken, we have that selected, that is sum of cells. So we can see this in this table, it is appearing, you can see. So this is the region wise data, this is segment wise. This first level data is region, central level, under central level consumer segment is there, corporate segment is there, home office is also there. Similarly under north region is also, all these segments are also there. So southern regions, this is the sales figures, and this is the total sales that we are getting. Understood? Basically, if you see this Power BI reads data in tall table format. Okay, tall table format. This is not the pivot table. Actually, pivot table is good for presentations. Okay, so suppose we want to convert this into white table. White table will be good for presentations. Therefore, suppose what we want to do, we want to convert this into white table. What we can do, we can simply select and we can convert this to the matrix. Okay, here, so this will be automatically converted. So in, you can see this is the column dimensions, it has taken uh, this is region, then this is the segment it has taken. Okay, this is the total sets. So this is good for presentations. Okay, we can also convert according. So you see here automatically there are, as per the requirement of this white table. So row has been filled. Row, what is the row, it has been taken, like region has been taken on the row. Column, in column, segment has been that taken here, and values is sum of cells. Okay, so if you see the white table and tall table both have the same requirement, like region and columns, all these were there. Simply what we have done, we have selected the table and we have converted into a white table format, that is called matrix. Okay, so we can also let us because we want some of the space, what we want, that let us bring our data back to the this. So this is the tall table format. What we can do, we can delete this. This is segment view, we can segment data, we can delete from this, so that we can maintain some of this, we can that save some of the space to build different visuals. Okay. So this is, and we can also explore some of the styling options like format options we can see. So we have seen all these things. So what this is like font for the values, if you see what is the font, okay, text color, what is the text color, background color, all these things we can do. Similarly, if you see the style, and we can explore all these things we have seen in the previous lessons, all these things. Okay. We have seen all these things in the previous lessons. So for the time being, what we will do, we will keep this in the right, like right side we can keep it as sides, and we can build some other visuals. Okay. We can keep here, like region wise cells. Okay. So that's for the lessons. Thank you.